Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. This is Z Khawaja, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here on this channel, I help you speak English. I help you improve your English as you practice with me. It's lesson number 11, and today's lesson is about common mistakes that people make in everyday speech. Sentence 1. She counts at you to help her in the crisis. It is wrong. To count at is wrong. To count on is correct expression. To count on someone, it means to depend upon someone. Now repeat after me for the correct one. Does she count on you? Yes, she does. She counts on me. Does she count on you to help her in the crisis? Yes, she does. She always counts on me to help her in the crisis. The next sentence is, she got to home too late last night. It's not correct to say, she got to home. To get to somewhere, that is correct, but if the name of the place is there, we say, I got to Lahore early in the morning. She got to Rawalpindi at 9 o'clock last night. But if instead of the name of the place, the word is home, the destination is home, before the word home, we don't put to preposition. So repeat after me for the correct one, without to. What time did she get home last night? Answer, she got home at 11 o'clock last night. Once again, repeat after me. What time did she get home last night? Answer, she got home at 11 o'clock last night. She got home too late last night. The next sentence, I went to the 7th floor by walking because the lift was out of order. It's incorrect. It's not correct to say, I went to the 7th floor by walking. You can simply say, I walked to the 7th floor. I walked to the 7th floor instead of I went to the 7th floor by walking. It is odd English. I went to the 7th floor by walking. The correct and the natural expression is, I walked to the 7th floor because the lift was out of order. And the lift is British word. Its American equivalent is elevator. So the sentence, repeat after me. Did you have to walk to the 7th floor last night? Yes, I had to walk to the 7th floor last night because the lift was out of order, because the elevator was out of order. The next sentence, I indicated the mistakes in the essay. Instead of saying indicate the mistakes in the essay, it's better to say to point out the mistakes in the essay. So point out is correct. Repeat after me for the correct expression. Did the teacher point out your mistakes in the essay? Did the teacher point out your mistakes in the essay? Yes, he did. He pointed out my mistakes in the essay. She pointed out, or he pointed out, all my mistakes in the essay. Did the teacher point out your mistakes in the essay? Yes, he did. He pointed out all my mistakes in the essay. The next sentence, she kept to using her phone until 3 a.m. last night. It's not correct. She kept to using is not correct. If you want to say she continued using, or then the correct expression is She kept on using instead of kept to using. She kept on using. Kept on is right. To keep on doing something means to continue doing something. Repeat after me. Did she keep on using her phone? Did she keep on using her phone until 3 a.m. last night? Yes, she did. She kept on using her phone until 3 a.m. last night. Yes, she did. She kept on using her phone. She kept on using her cell phone until 3 a.m. last night. Once again, repeat after me. Did she keep on using her phone until 3 a.m. last night? Instead of 3 a.m., we can also say until 3 in the morning. For last night, sometimes we feel that in the morning, to say in the morning is perhaps not correct. But if it is after midnight, you can use in the morning. She kept on using her phone until 3 a.m. or she kept on using her phone until 3 in the morning. The next sentence. He extinguished his cigarette in the ashtray. Extinguish. Extinguish is rather formal word. In the writing, in composition, it's okay, but for everyday speech, the better word is to put out the fire, to put out the cigarette. Repeat after me. Did he put out his cigarette in the ashtray? Yes, he did. He put out his cigarette in the ashtray. Yes, he did. He put out his cigarette in the ashtray. How long did it take them to put out the fire? Repeat after me. How long did it take them to put out the fire? Answer. It took them at least 40 minutes to put out the fire. They put out the fire in 40 minutes. How long did it take them to put out the fire? It took them about 40 minutes to put it out. Well, I hope this much is enough today. See you next time. Take care. Goodbye.